Hey guys, here I am again on a happy Sunday doing what I love to do, taking care of your radio and 8-track player. I'm Barry, obviously with Barry's 8-track repair and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a, let's see, what's the year on this thing? Where are we? Okay, it doesn't say the year, late 70s though, 79 most likely, somewhere around there. This is out of a... let's see, out of a 76 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, looks like. Now, one thing I'll say about this is you'll see that this says quadrasonic tape. It was originally, but the unit's being converted to modern electronics, and the conversion module, although the conversion module does have 4 separate speaker amplifiers, it still has only 2 discrete audio channels. So quadraphonic reproduction is impossible on a conversion, and all I can do is play with the head switching so that it will play stereo tapes properly. So, but that's actually kind of a good thing, because with quad tapes being very expensive, I mean 40, 50 bucks is not unusual to pay that much for a quad tape, and I hope you're not keeping these quad tapes in your car in an outdoor environment. So, in my opinion, it's really best to keep quad tapes at home anyway. Play them on your home player. A car is just not a good environment for a 40-year-old or a 50-year-old quad tape that you paid 50 bucks for. So, anyway, let's go ahead and run it through its paces. This customer has requested a conversion to modern electronics with full output, with increased output power. Also has requested the Bluetooth and USB functions. So we're going to try everything out before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
And we've got the expert cardiac team that's ready.
And while we've got it on talk radio, we'll demonstrate the volume and fader functions. Fader controls are known to have a limited lifespan, so I never reuse them. The balance control, everything can be done at the tone control. You adjust your volume here, of course, but you adjust your tone, left-right balance, and front-rear fade using only the tone control. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Turn it back up. Let's get our speakers in the picture here. Okay, I'm going to try activating the virtual front-rear fader. So we're going to start with the tone control in the center, and 2 turns to the right.
Denver comes into this game with just
fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your front-rear speaker balance. All the way front, rear. Okay, I'm going to go and center them best I can.
Fader set.
And the fader is set. Okay, let's try the left-right balance control.
I remember you and I had some conversations with
balance adjust.
Okay, so now we're adjusting using the same control, left and right balance. All the way left, all the way right. Okay, I'm going to center them again.
Would be a really good team, but that has not been the case.
Balance is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode, making sure that works properly.
And
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the Bluetooth is now trying to pair. We know that's working. Let's make sure that the USB stick plays my radio commercial.
No doubt. It's so interesting because
having fun, driving my classic ride, got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Okay, so there's my radio commercial. Okay, let's go to FM. I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area so we can get through this test quickly. Go over to FM.
Olvides ni uno de sus beneficios.
But you could have heard a pin drop.
Let it snow, let it snow.
A test firing to range.
That one drifted a bit, so let's just reset it. And there we go. Alrighty, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedeka here. Okay, we're coming up on an automatic track change, so we'll make sure it does that. Just listen for the sound. Get closer to the radio so you can hear it. There we go, there's our automatic track change. And pull the tape out,
This is
radio
80
comes
News.
back.
An
So that
award-winning
takes
actress
care of
is out
that,
behind bars
and
and-
I've already checked the dialight to make sure that works, but we'll check it again. You probably can't see it, but I can. Yep, we've got a nice soft blue illumination there on the dialight, so she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below and print and fill out a work order. If you're serious about sending in your unit for repair, you're going to have to fill out a work order anyway, so you might as well make that the first step, because that contains all my options, all my prices, including options for turn times, and it's going to save me 30 minutes on the phone where I could be on the bench taking care of a customer's unit. So I do require that customers visit my website and print a work order before calling me. After that, I'm happy to talk to you, even if it's just to get to know me for a few minutes, to get to trust me, stuff like that. As far as my options, prices, turn times, what all do you do, get that from the website and the work order before calling me. That's the story. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Doug, in Oregon, for your business from a few states north of me. Thanks so much for watching, listening, guys. See you next time.